Hey guys, welcome back with me again and the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link captions into specific video segments in CapCut PC. So in here, I have already imported clip.
You know what? I've lost my sense of taste lately.
Like
really?
this.
What have you been eating?
And let's say you want to delete a certain part of the clip, but usually when you delete the clip, the caption will still be there. So let's try. For example, I'm going to delete this part of the video. So I'm going to delete it. So as you guys can see here that the captions is not are not deleted, and it's still there. So if you want to delete both of the clip and also the captions, you need to link it first. So here what you need to do is go to the toolbar here at the top right of the timeline, and then turn on the linkage in here. So just tap on it, and let's see when I try to delete the clip, this one. Okay, so the captions are also deleted. So now the captions are linked into the videos. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.